Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check, which is like a test page for an Epson XP-332. This is nice and simple. We've done from the printer itself using the control panel you can see here. Now we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which will look like this, but you can press that button if you're not already here. Then we use the right hand arrow to take us along to setup. With setup selected, we press OK. Then we need to move along to the right once until it says maintenance. Press OK to go into that. And nozzle check is the first option here, 1 of 5. So OK. Obviously you're going to need a bit of paper to print a page, so make sure you've got that in there. You press the start button over here to get going. And this will take your printer just a minute. And eventually you'll end up with something that looks like this, but hopefully yours will be a little bit prettier. We should have here black, cyan, magenta and yellow, but there's some quite major issues with the black portion of the print head and a couple of small issues here, like on the magenta. We've got a little line missing. The black pattern should obviously match the 3 colours we got over here, indicating an issue. Thankfully, back at the printer, the machine is asking you whether there are any missing parts on here. And if we select yes, because of the issues we've had, you get the follow-up option of clean print head. Now cleaning the print head does use up ink, but it's certainly worthwhile doing. So what it does is push fresh ink through the printer's print head to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink your machine might have and hopefully improve that print quality. So I'm going to press yes, get going with that. And from here, you can just keep doing cleans and test pages until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.